Hello everyone, thanks for clicking the video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC in 2026 in the state of Texas. And this process is going to be super fast and easy. If you've watched any previous videos with me filing an LLC in Texas, you'll see the process is just about exactly the same, but the 𝗤𝙀𝗏𝗏 website has updated a little bit, has a couple new features, and just makes the whole process even easier and will make your business even more successful. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to file your LLC, and let's get right into it. I want you to have your, if you can put me to the side of the screen and have this website up at the same time, that will make it so much easier. So by the end of this video, you will have your LLC completed. So you're going to start. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so the link is in the description, and it's going to take you to the 𝗤𝙀𝗏𝗏's website. So you're going to start by clicking Texas. And now you're going to type in the name of your business. So hopefully you already have a name in mind. For me, I do eyelash extensions, so I'm going to type Cara Lashes. And again, you just want to spell it the correct way because you can't change this part later. So just make sure you have any capital letters or anything like that. And industry, you can see there's tons of options. If you're not too sure, they do give you recommendations down here of common ones. I'm going to type in eyelash extensions and boom, there it is. And where are you with your business? This part isn't too important. Just click whatever applies for you. And same here if you've run a business before or not. And how many people will own your LLC? So is it going to be just you, or maybe you and a partner or a couple partners? So if you don't know, it's not a big deal. Click whatever applies here. And you discovered Teller Brands through YouTube. Okay. And now you can type in your personal information. And create password. Whoops, I'm putting a fake number for this video, but there we go. All right, and just so you guys notice, we are already in section 2 out of 3. So the first part of this, you're already done. That was like so easy. You probably didn't even realize you were working already, but you were, and we're 1/3 of the way done. Okay, so an EIN number. An EIN number is essentially like the social security number of your business. So it's really important to have, especially in your first year of business, and it kind of gets you established and situated right from the beginning. So if you want to do your EIN number with 𝗤𝘀𝗏𝗏 Brands, it will cost, I believe it's $100 on here. Now, if you want to do it on your own, it is free, and let me tell you how you can do that. But it definitely is a little bit more work. So you're going to start by going, you could type in Google the IRS website and EIN, and it's going to take you to the IRS website. Now keep in mind, you can only file your EIN number on Monday through Friday business hours, so like 9 to 5. It's a website. Why would it be business hours? I don't know, but that's the government, right? So then you're going to click apply for an EIN and begin application, and it's going to start asking you some questions. Now, again, like I said, this is free to do it, but there's really no guidance on here. I prefer having things really easy, so it's up to you. You could do it here. I'm going to click have 𝗤𝘀𝗏𝗏 Brands do it all for me, and I have to do like no work. I love that. Okay. So your LLC has to be renewed every single year. This is no matter what state that you live in or what state that you file in. This is just part of being in this country. You have to renew your LLC every year. And if you don't, someone can steal your name and can kind of, ruin your whole business if they take your name over, right? So if you'd like to if you'd like to renew your LLC on your own, you can click this option. If you want 𝗤𝘀𝗏𝗏 Brands to send you a reminder and to help do it for you, you can pay them to do that. I believe it is $199, so it is a little bit more pricey, but it'll avoid you missing it by mistake. If you handle it on your own, you will get notified by email, like kind of like a, hey, heads up, time to renew. So that's just up to you if you want to save some money. Here, I'm going to save some money and click handle the compliance. And do you want to elevate your professional image with our branding toolkit? We're going to click no. And if you want to get your LLC even faster, expedited in just 1 day, you can get that. I believe it is $49. I have to get back to you. I'm going to check at the end and see the price. If you don't want to pay anything extra, you can get it in 2 weeks, which is still really fast. But for me, I kind of feel like it's worth paying extra. Get it tomorrow, boom, done. Totally your call on that one. And an operating agreement is really good to have if you have partners. So even if you are on your own, it's helpful to have one, but especially almost necessary to have if you have partners. That way it kind of lays out the rules and responsibilities of everyone involved and the ownership of the business. So later down the line, you know, maybe you're working with your best friend. Let's say you guys, the business is getting a little tough and you have some disagreements. That operating agreement is going to come in handy because it's going to show you exactly who is responsible for what, and you guys have signed off on it. So it's just good to have something like that in your back pocket. And it's pretty cheap. Let's see how much it is at the end. I'm going to click Get My Operating Agreement. If you want to skip it, you can just click this other option here. And okay, this is the formation kit. And what's included is basically like a binder with all the documents you're going to need. So anything with accounting, taxes, planners, pretty much everything that you would want to be super organized, it'll have it in this binder. If you want that, you can pay for extra for it. It's not too much, I think 100 maybe. I'm going to click no because I kind of already have my planner and all that stuff. Okay, and would you like to open a free bank account and manage your business all in one place? Now, this is a new feature that Taylor Brands has. It's very cool, and let me tell you why I think it's cool. So basically, you're getting a credit card and you're getting a separate checking account to have for the business. So whether you do it with Taylor Brands or another bank, I highly recommend to get a bank account that's separate from your personal. So there's a few reasons for this, right? One is that you will know exactly how much money is coming in and going out from your profits, sales, and any sort of business costs that you have, any expenses. There's not going to be any confusion. Also, if you have like a partner or even if it's just yourself, you know, you don't want to be making a bunch of money and then, oh, I need to buy groceries, right? Oh, I need to buy this. And you start spending your profits on personal things. Oh, I want to go out to dinner or something. You spend $200 of your profits on something personal. So the great thing about having a separate bank account is that reason. And also having the LLC with a separate bank account is just another way to really protect yourself in case somebody tries to sue you down the line. And you guys, anyone can sue at any time for any reason. That's the sad truth. But having that bank account separate keeps your personal assets safe, and having the LLC really keeps you safe so that nobody can get to your personal money down the line if they tried to. So up to you, you guys. Yeah, let's click Get Free Account just so I can show you. And this is free. Let's get notified about the filing of the LLC. They're just going to send you a text update saying, hey, it's filed, or hey, it's going to be done in a day or so. All right, and you guys, we are already at section 3 out of 3. We're basically done. So first thing I want you to do here is click See Other Options. So right at the top here it says See Other Options. Here are your plans that you can choose from. Okay, so the light plan, you're not getting anything extra except for your LLC and any extras we clicked on, such as opening a bank account if you wanted to do that, or filing your EIN number if you want to do that through Taylor Brands. Anything additional that you've clicked, that will be included. These other plans do include some other things, such as a trial for bookkeeping, coaching programs. This one creates a website for you, which could be very helpful if you have no idea how to do that. Highly recommend having Taylor Brands do it for you and get that business going. But today we're not paying anything extra. So let's select this light plan. And this is the total cost of what you're paying for today, and let's break it down. So we are not paying anything extra. The state filing fee in Texas for an LLC is $308.10. I'm not sure why it says just 0.1, but it's $308.10. Now, no matter where you file your LLC, it will always cost this much in Texas, and every single year it's a little different. I believe last year it might have been a little less. I'm so sorry for that. That's not my call. That's just the government, and it's changing constantly. Next year could be cheaper. Who knows? We're also paying $99 for that 1-day expedited filing. So what that means, again, is you're getting your LLC tomorrow. If you want to save money, you're not pressed for time, just unselect it, and no problem. You'll get it in 2 weeks. Not a big deal. Same with this operating agreement. And again, it's to protect your assets, basically list out who's responsible for what. If you decide you don't need it, again, you can just unselect. If you have partners, I would select it. And we are also, let's see, we're getting a free trial on invoicing and bookkeeping. After that, they do charge you, so just be aware of that. We're getting that free credit card and bank account. If you wanted that option, just click here. And we're having Taylor Brands file our EIN number for us for $99. Personally, I think it's completely worth it. You could check out the IRS website for yourself. To me, it's an absolute nightmare and confusing and just like not something I feel like spending my time on. To me, it's worth the $100, but that's totally your call. And yeah, that's our grand total for today. Now, the reason the price does not match up is because you're getting charged for your LLC first, and then you will be charged the extra amount for the EIN number after the LLC is created. So just keep that in mind. When an extra charge comes through, that's what it is. Then we're going to go on to the payment, and it's just going to ask you an address that you want to use. I always use my home address, even though I'm a mobile business. And this is basically for them to contact you if they need something from you in regards to your LLC. Now, if you're not comfortable using your home address and you have a storefront, obviously use your storefront address, or you can look up getting a virtual address online. That's an option as well. But I've done this like 100 million times, and I've actually sent it through, and I do not get spam mail, anything like that. It's literally just if they need something from you. It's like anytime, I don't know, you go anywhere, like you make an appointment, you leave your phone number, and they have it on file. That's kind of what it's for. But that's it, you guys. So you have just filed your LLC in Texas. I hope this updated video has helped you in 2026. You know, the prices are all accurate as of this year. And if you guys have any questions, if you want me to review anything that I've discussed, please leave it in the comments below. I'd love to talk to you about, you know, any concerns you might have. But I am all about making this process really easy. You know, starting a business is hard enough on its own. So let's make the computer stuff and the LLC as easy as possible, right? Why overcomplicate it? So again, leave your comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.